03 Acura TL. All right, kind of a bad idle here. Just throwing codes for misfire. The old P1399. Random misfire detected. Let's get to it. Pull the cover off the front side here. There you go. These ones are already open. Just gonna break them loose real quick here before we start it up and see which one's bad. Back here. Let's see. Here they are. And then let me get this last one over here. Got this lovely steering hose bracket in the way. All right, got it. Let's see what the easy one pops right up. All right, so here we go. Never mind that power steering whine. Definitely hear a change there. Yep, you hear a change there. Hear a change there. I think this is the bad one back here. Pop it off again. No change, nothing. Yeah, that coil's bad right there. Yep, change there. Yeah, change there. Okay, so let's go ahead and order this one up. Pull that out, stand by. I'm gonna switch this coil with this one and then start it up and see if that misfire changes, just to make sure. It's not a spark plug. Alright, so here's the bad one. No change. Yes. Okay, that's the problem. Bad coil pack. Here we go. Denso ignition coil. Jay's Automotive. About 45 bucks. All right. Here it is. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Start it up. Let's see what happens. All right, let's fire it up. Oh yeah! Purring like a kitten. Nice.